welcome back to my channel. My name is Audrey Rose. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for this look. I'm doing a super soft glam brown eye look with brown eyeliner. It's super easy. Just minimal colors, minimal blending. There's not a whole lot going on with this look, but it's bomb. So keep on watching if you want to see how I got this look. So I've already done my base routine and I'm just gonna focus on the eyes now. So let's get into it. I'm gonna use my Morphe 18F and my Tarte Clay Play. First thing that we're gonna do, I just put a little foundation and set with some translucent powder all over my lid. I'm going to pack this very bright white color. It's not white, it's like off-white. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. I need a lash fill, guys. Please don't judge me. So I'm going to take this all over the lid. I'm just dragging it up a little bit right here because I like this area to look flat. Some people like to darken that area, but I like it to look a little bit lighter. We have our base. I'm just going to take this Morphe M505 brush. So next I'm going to let's go into this Morphe palette. I'm going to take this brown right here. Pack this into my crease on this outer corner and just start blending it into my crease here. And I'm only keeping it on like this outer half of my eye for now. And I'm going to fox eye it, just blending for now. And blending it into my crease, to the outer corner, and down into the corner of my eye here. You see how I'm creating that triangle effect? And I'm going to blend this up and out. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna take a tad darker brown. Let's see. I think this will be a good one. We're gonna go into Ember and just go and deepen that crease. We're gonna put this on the outer corner of the lid, pack that in there, and start blending that up and out. I'm gonna just bring this in a tad bit more over on past the middle of the eye. And the outer wing doesn't have to be super perfect because we can always go back with some setting powder and clean that up. I'm telling you guys, this look is so simple. So I'm taking this Wet n Wild Khol eyeliner and I'm gonna just kind of do this and just warm it up a little bit. And this is not necessary, you could just use this, but this is kind of a little messy, so I'm gonna take this eyeliner type brush and just dip it in that. Sorry, there's foundation on the back of my hand, but we're just gonna dip it in here and begin doing a brown liner. And with brown liner, I usually start at the bottom of the lash line and go up. We're not doing anything super dramatic. We are just gonna do a little triangle here. Just gonna begin smudging this liner into the lash line. Same thing on this side. I'm going to take just a little dense tiny brush and go back into that dark shade that we were in and line my bottom lash line. I'm going to just clean up this outer edge right here. And to just give this look a little pop, I'm going to take my Mean Money by Fenty, which is not the super highlight side, but this side. And put that right over that nude shade. Just to give some shimmer. I'm gonna go back in and kind of blend this out here. And then I'm going to take the shimmer side and pop that into my inner corners. And just brush off the excess. Oh, I'm gonna put some highlighter on my brows as well. Okay guys, please don't do what I do and put mascara on your lash extensions, but the show must go on, okay? I'm gonna use my Colourpop Lippie pencil. It's broken, so it's about to be ghetto. I don't even know what color this is, but it's brown. It like doesn't even work. I'm about to use this other, yeah, I'm just gonna use this. Just find a brown liner. Okay. And then I'm going to use my Colourpop lipstick in the color Appy. I don't know if y'all can tell, but my lips are lopsided. I need to get another one of these because I love this brown liner. All right, ladies, let's see. Do we need anything else? I'm going to bronze just a tiny bit more. Add a teensy bit of blush. This is Milani. Oh, also, I was using the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer. And this is the Milani Tea Rose Blush. So I'm just going to drop this on the cheeks. All right, ladies, this is the final look. I just did a super soft, easy brown eyeliner and eyeshadow look. It's giving soft glam, but without all of the extras, without the super lashes and the super colors. If you're just looking for a really nice brown eyeshadow look for any season, then just follow my tutorial. Stay tuned for the next makeup video. Give me some suggestions on what kind of eye looks you guys want to see. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.